Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Ketan Bhausar, and now we learn the basic concept to how to differentiate color from images. Image is generally designed with help of the R, G, and B components. So how first of all we differentiate different colors. That we are taking the red, green. For the red, it should be indicate with 1. For the green, it should be indicate with 2, and for the blue it should be indicate with 3. So this is the main 3 components for the differentiating the color. First of all, take one RGB image. I'm taking one RGB image. Fine. Image is not found. So first of all, we have to change the folder. Then change the folder. Fine. For the step-by-step execution, you have to copy A. Find A is stored over here. Now differentiating the images, you can see for the red, green, and blue. If you want to show, then I am show red. This is basically for the red portion. If you want to see the green, then you can also see the variation. And if you want to stay the image, then use figure. I am show green. And for this is same for red and for blue. So this is basically the differentiating the color from RGB images. Now in second part, we add some amount of noise, like we have to add some salt and pepper noise. This is one type of noise we are generally added. So let's see the basic variation of it. Just copy it and paste and use over this, okay, we are using B. This is the one type of salt and pepper noise, as you can see. If you edit the amount or change the value, you can also edit it, put it some values over that and see. So if you can add the value, you can add more amount of noise in images. So basically this is the salt and pepper noise. The same way in second, we are added or removing the noise, and for the removing the noise we have to use the medium filter. The medium filter is basically use this is the basically mid filter, mid filter is basically for the medium, it's medium filter, and we are just differentiating the colors from it, and we are also added it, if you want to see the amount of variation, copy and just paste it. This is the noise and pepper, and this is the removing the salt and pepper noise using the median filter. Now on second part, we are also using some different types of noise, and for removing the noise we are also using some different types of concept and remove with the Wiener filter, and we are using the Wiener filter for the same. Removing, you can see the removing the salt and pepper noise using the Wiener filter. It is quite better as compared to this one. Fine. Now we also talking about some Gaussian processes. This is the basically the IM noise. We are added the noise value using the Gaussian, and you can also edit or change the value. First of all, we have tried for the same using the median filter. See, This is the original Gaussian process. As you can see, this is the Gaussian images. If you have to differentiate, then you can also see. And removing the noise using vernier filter or median filter. For the vernier filter, they are using the command like for the vernier filter. For the vernier filter, this is basically for remove noise from R, G and B images. And basically cat is generally used to merge the component. Cat command used for merge color component, and subplot for show different images in one single frame. So this is the basically for AdWord removing the concept. And now I'm gonna run this whole the program. Now this is basically a 2 window. This is for the Salt&Paper noise and this is for the Gaussian process, as you can see. So it is quite visible and it is quite added over here. So thank you for watching the video, and for the more keep watching.